Hi, are you a freelancer? Here's how to set your freelance rate. 1. Determine your base rate. Calculate your base rate by considering your experience, skills, and the industry standard. 2. Calculate your expenses. Determine your monthly expenses, including rent, utilities, and business expenses, and divide by the number of hours you plan to work. 3. Calculate your ideal income. Decide on your ideal income, taking into account your financial goals and lifestyle. 4. Research the market. Research the market and determine the going rate for your services. 5. Consider the client and project. Adjust your rates based on the client and project, taking into account factors such as the complexity of the project and the client's budget. 6. Negotiate with clients. Be prepared to negotiate with clients, but don't undervalue your work. 7. Set clear terms and conditions. Clearly outline your rates, payment terms, and deliverables in your contract to avoid misunderstandings. By following these steps, you can set your freelance rates that are fair and reflective of your experience and skills. Did you find this useful? Follow and share this for more.